Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check the apps with the most used memory on your Android phone. And to be able to do that, it should be quite simple. You just need to swipe down from up here and you'll be able to see the settings button down here, or just head over to the settings app that you'll see on your home screen. Just click on it, and as you can see, you're gonna be headed to your settings. And the next thing that you should do is head over to your apps. Not this one. This one's wrong. This one's wrong. Now you just head over to your apps down here and click on Manage Apps. And upon clicking Manage Apps, you'll be able to see many features such as being able to uninstall. But for this, so just click on Sort by App Name and change how our apps are sorted by clicking on Use Storage. And as you can see, we will see the app with the most memory used in our phone. And for my case, it's Warship Blitz. This, I am aware by the time I downloaded this before that this was going to be really heavy. But if you weren't aware, now you will be. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Rebel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!